Hello, Kevin here from Spreadify Marketing, and today we're tackling a topic that may seem daunting at first: building a website with zero code experience. At Spreadify Marketing, we pride ourselves on designing custom-coded websites tailored to our clients' needs. However, we do understand that not everyone has the budget for a custom website. So, this video is dedicated to help you create a website without any coding skills. Let's get straight into it. 1. Choose the right website builder. The first step is selecting a user-friendly website builder that requires no coding. Platforms like Wix, Squarespace, and Weebly are perfect for beginners. They offer drag-and-drop functionality, allowing you to design your site visually. 2. Pick a domain name. Your domain name is your website's address on the internet. Choose something memorable and reflective of your brand or purpose. Most website builders actually offer domain registration services, making it super easy to secure your web address. 3. Select a template. Website builders provide a range of templates tailored to different types of websites, from blogs to online stores. Browse through those templates and choose one that fits your vision perfectly. Remember, you can customize it later to make it uniquely yours. 4. Customize your template. Now the fun begins. Use the drag and drop editor to add elements like text, images, and videos. Adjust colors, fonts, and layouts to match your brand identity, because most builders actually offer a variety of widgets and plugins to enhance functionality without needing any coding skills. 5. Add essential pages. Every website needs a few key pages. Start with a homepage, about page, and contact page. And depending on your website's purpose, you might also want to add a blog, services page, or potentially an online store. So use your builder's tools to create and organize these pages very easily. 6. Create and optimize content. Write clear, engaging content for each page, and always use high-quality images and videos to enhance your message. And always make sure that your content is SEO friendly by incorporating relevant keywords, using proper headings, and writing meta descriptions. This will help your site rank better on search engines. 7. Set up navigation. Ensure that your website's navigation is intuitive. Use a simple menu structure that allows visitors to find exactly what they're looking for quickly. Most website builders allow you to easily add and arrange your menu items. Quick thought: imagine visiting your website for the first time. Is it easy to navigate? Is everything clear and inviting? If not, let's tweak it before moving on. 8. Add functionality with widgets and plugins. Enhance your site's functionality with widgets and plugins. So whether you need a contact form, social media integration, or e-commerce capabilities, website builders offer a range of add-ons to expand your website's features without any extra coding. 9. Preview and test. So before you go live, make sure to preview your site to see how it looks on different devices. Test all the links, forms, and interactive elements to ensure that everything works smoothly, and make adjustments as needed to polish up your website. 10. Publish your website. Once you're satisfied with your website, it's time to publish. With just a few clicks, your website will be live and accessible to the world. Share it on social media, email newsletters, and other channels to start driving traffic. 11. Maintain and update. Building a website is just the beginning. Regularly update your content, check for technical issues, and add new features to keep your website fresh and engaging. So as we can see, building a website with zero code experience is entirely possible and can be a rewarding process. With the right tools and a bit of creativity, you can create a professional looking website that meets all of your needs. However, if you're ready to invest in a custom coded site for even greater benefits, we at Spreadify Marketing are here to help. For more tips and tutorials on digital marketing and web design, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Spreadify Marketing. I'm Kevin, here to help you navigate the digital landscape with ease and confidence. See you in the next video.